Today we are diving into the advanced design techniques in PowerPoint. Whether you are creating presentation for work, school, or personal project, these tips will help you make you look professionals engaging. Let's get started, okay? First up, let's talk about the custom slides. Okay, so the using the different layout get repetitive by creating your own. You can ensure these slides perfectly for your content. Okay, so here I want to this layout. Go to the view tabs and click on the slide master and select the layout, customize to create a new layout. So here we have now the previous layout I have used here for my work, and here you can easily edit it. You can customize it. So add a placeholder for text and also the images and other content. So apply your own or apply custom layout to slide by right clicks over here, and you can easily use it with the different layout, or by using the inserts layout you can have the different layout in there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I want to delete this one. Right click over here, insert your layout. You can easily use the insert layout over here. Okay, now I want to close it for now and custom sites layout not only add a unique text to your presentations but also make your flow more efficient. Okay, so now let's move into with the, or I can just use the advanced use for images. So image can make your slide visually appealing. So let's explore how to use image effectively. So you can easily insert image by going to the insert tips or click over with the content like the different one. By clicking over here, you can now easily insert from your image, or you can click over the pictures or use here the image like these devices or the different one. You can easily use it, and also use the remove background. Like here, use the remove background, and with the design by using over here hide the background graphics to make your like blend seamlessly. So here if I gonna click over here, hide this one, and then I go to the insert tabs. Now use the these devices are stock images. For example, I'm using this one. So let's start with the simple one. I can easily use it for this one, then insert it. So now that we have inserted this one here, right click over here and set to the back. So now that we can see we have with this image into this bag, you can easily set up your resize your image into your slide. Okay, so now that we have the images in there, apply effect like the shadow, reflection, and the 3D rotations by selecting the image. You see the difference one here, we can easily use it. Or if you want to use a difference like here the transparency or pictures effect like the shadow or also the reflection, so whatever you want, you can easily work with this one. Okay, so remember to always use the high quality images to keep them relevant to your content. Okay, so now let's move into the another one, and we want to discuss about the mastering animations and transitions. So animations and transitions can make your presentations more dynamic, but they need to be used by, so like here first let's use the animations with this text, and I can just select the element to animate and go to the animation steps and choose the insurance, or from here let me use the insurance or emphasis and exit, and also the motion space. So like here if I use the more entrance like here, you can now see we have now this one, or whatever you deserve, you can easily use with this one. Okay, so now I can easily use it. Okay, you can also use here the like emphasis over here. You can easily source up with this one. For example, I can just easily use it and use that animations span here to find timings and order, like by using the animation span. Here you can find the effect option, also the timings, however you want to use. And for the translations, go to the translation tabs and select the an effect. So for example, let's use, and it will come up like this way, or whatever you reserve, and it will come up like, or you can easily choose and you can easily preview with this one. Okay, and use the effect options to customize the direction and also the direction, like if it was the left now and we can use the right, so it will come up with the right. Okay, and subtle and consistent animations can enhance your presentations, while overuse can distracting. And when you using the like the translations, make sure that you can easily show with us or preview by clicking over in here. Like I can easily make it with the preview in there. Okay, you can easily use it with the play for making it better one. Okay, and next one, we're gonna want to use the utilizing infographics and data visualizations. Infographics and data visualizations are powerful tools for presenting complex information clearly. Okay, so you can do, before that I want to insert the duplicate slide. What I'm gonna do, I want to text our text over here, and I want to work with the charts. Go to the inside tabs and use the charts. Click over here and choose the appropriate charts type of your data, so you can have the different one. So for example, let's use this one. Hit on the OK. So now that we have inserted charts, it can be more visually appealing with our slide. You can easily resize it. You can modify the data whatever you want. Okay, customizing the chart design using the chart tools like the chart design and the app format. Okay, create the infographic using the shapes and icons, the smart art. Before I want to use the duplicate this one, I want to also delete also here, and I want to use the inside tab, use the smart. Let me use it for a simple example. So now that we have a simple design with the infographic, or with the, we can say the smart art. Okay, and now let's move into the another one. This is the effective data, or the integrating multimedia. Okay, and also multimedia elements can make your presentations more engaging and informative. You can easily use or insert the multimedia like the video and also the audio. So by clicking over here, the insert tab, use the videos file and choose the destination you want to use from, or use the audio. So the same process you can follow the steps by using. For example, let's use the audio over here, or I can easily use the simple audio into the here. So now that we have now this one, use the playback or playback options, control how media is placed. Okay, so this way you can easily trim it, or you can use the captions or whatever you want. So add the interactive elements like the hyperlinks and the actions button for the more advanced options. Use the multimedia to complement your message, not overset or overset of it. So thanks for watching, and that is for today's tutorial on advanced design techniques in PowerPoint. And thanks for watching, and happy presenting.